magulang, ang laging sinasabi, tayo po mga magulang, lagi nating sinasabi, halos araw-araw yata, anak, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para makakuha ka ng trabaho. Alam nyo ba na after this commencement exercise, so after yung graduation nyo ngayon, kayo ay employable na. Pwede na kayong magtrabaho. Your journey has just begun, and there is so much more to discover and achieve. We encourage you to carry the values and lessons you have learned here. Yakapin nyo yung bawat natutunan ninyo, yung bawat sagot sa mga tanong ninyo, at yung mga patuloy nyo pang tanong na gusto nyo pang masagot.
Today's the day. Now's the time for all our dreams to
continue to follow your passion with never-ending curiosity and humility. Keep in mind that your success is determined by your impact on the world that leaves you touch along the road, not just by your accomplishment.
Now is about time to change our mindset. Tayo ay bansa, no? Na mga empleyado yung ating naging mindset. Mga empleyado tayo sa sarili nating bansa habang ang may-ari ng mga kumpanya ay ibang lahi. Bakit nagkaganon? Panahon na para baguhin natin yung mindset natin. Maganda na mangarap, bakit ako nag-aaral? Mas magandang sagot para makapagtayo rin ako ng sarili kong negosyo. Gusto mong ma-achieve ng maaga yung financial success, eto lang yung gawin nyo. Kukunti lang yung nakakakita nito. You just need to focus on single skill. What the world needs today are skill. Iha-hire ka ng company, hindi dahil dun sa pinag-aralan mo na matagal. Iha-hire ka because of your skill.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one...
Hindi sila mapapagod, magtityaga sila sa pag-aaral pag gusto nila yung ginagawa nila. Kaya marami pong nagbubulakbol sa college. Bakit? Paano kukuha nung course na ayaw naman nila? So ano mangyayari? Kukuha ka ng course na ayaw mo, gagraduate ka ng isang course na ayaw mo, makakapagtrabaho ka ng isang trabaho na ayaw mo. Nasaan yung success doon? Yung success is, masaya kang ginagawa yung isang bagay. Bakit? Kasi gusto mo yon. Are we good? Ready na ba kayo? Okay. So this is your moment. By the authority vested in me, as President of Next Generation Technological College, I now confirm you graduates of batch 2024. Tassels to the left. Congratulations. God bless your dreams.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head, a million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams.
Ang pagsuko, ang pinakamatindi nating kahinaan. Ang pinakatiyak na paraan upang magtagumpay ay sumubok ng isa pang beses. Again, Batch 2024, congratulations.
You may be wrong to say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see.
Every night I lie in bed.
Congratulations, class of 2024. The future is yours to shape. Go out and make your mark in the world. God bless us.
What the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
For the world we're gonna make.